Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill in the blanks. The area of the square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 12 centimeter. Now let's try and visualize this. This is the required circle. Yes, and this is the square inscribed in it. Now if we look at it very carefully, I have cleared few things up. If we look at it very carefully, we'll see that diagonal of the square is passing through center of the circle. So diagonal of square is equal to diameter of circle. Diagonal of the square is equal to diameter of circle. Therefore, we are given radius equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, diameter equal to 2 into radius, which is equal to 24 centimeter. And we know area of square can be calculated as half diagonal square. So we can do this half into 24 into 24, which is equal to half into 576, which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16 and 2 8s are 16 centimeter square. So area of square, required square, is equal to 288 centimeter square. So answer is 288 centimeter square.